Good evening and welcome to Miami-Dade County Public Schools 2019-2020 Open House. And congratulations, because parental involvement is one of the most powerful factors in student achievement. Tonight, you'll meet and interact with your child's principal, teachers, and counselors, all of whom play important roles in your child's education. Miami-Dade County Public Schools is once again an A-rated school district. Our graduation rate is almost 90%. And for the third year in a row, there are no F-rated schools in Miami-Dade. We continue to accelerate excellence through exciting academic programs and innovative choice options. The school board has invested heavily in school safety, and all schools can again count on having a resource or safety officer assigned to them. The state has taken an active role in maintaining safety with Fortify FL, a suspicious activity reporting tool that allows users to instantly relay critical information to law enforcement agencies and school officials while remaining anonymous. Make sure you download the Dade Schools mobile app, where you can access Fortify FL and other important resources, including emergency notifications, class and bus schedules, grades, and much more. And recognizing that mental wellness matters, our Department of Mental Health Services continues expanding to coordinate and facilitate services for students who need them. An exciting year of learning lies ahead. On behalf of the school board and the faculty and staff at your child's school, thank you for joining us this evening, and best wishes for a successful school year.